This video will demonstrate the use of highlighting. Highlighting can be used in conjunction with or independent of coding stripes. I wish to see where I have coded Barbara's interview to any of the attitude codes. To do this, I click on the highlight option in the toolbar at the top of Detail View. Select Coding for selected items. Browse to the folder that contains the codes. I want to highlight, then select just these codes. I could also select the entire folder or several folders. I've selected the 4 attitude codes for Barbara. Click Select. Now, as I read through Barbara's interview, the highlighting indicates anywhere I have coded to positive, negative, neutral, or mixed attitude codes. Highlighting and coding stripe tools work in all codable files, including multimedia, surveys, and PDFs.